Hey, we're Dutch Ballroom. I'm Simon.
I'm Jana.
Let's go.
The Dutch Ballroom Diamond Step. In this tutorial we'll show you the diamond step from the Dutch Ballroom style. We call it the Dutch Ballroom because in the Netherlands we tend to skate to faster music without rings or in smaller spaces. This style was created to adapt to our circumstances based on the St. Louis Ballroom style. Ik zou zeggen, kom een keer naar Nederland om het zelf te proberen.
The diamond step consists of 4 things: push, T-stop, back cross, and then you step in front. How to back cross.
You start in the T-stop position.
You lean your weight on the back foot, aka the right foot, and you drag your right foot straight back.
While dragging your foot, you shift your weight onto your left foot.
As the leader, you bring your foot up into a 4 shape with your legs.
A follower, just find your balance on one foot and step out when you're ready.
So now you want to get into side position and you and your partner put your arms straight out in front of you. If you're by yourself, it goes your hands out. If you're with your partner, 1 hand each. Your arms and your chest stay aligned, so when you turn while in the T-stop position, your arms are remaining parallel to each other.
If your arms are swinging to the side, then you're not leading with your chest.
We're going to push off, T-stop, look forwards, and then look 90 degrees to the right, turning with our chests together.
Your weight goes on your back foot when turning, and you hold the T-stop position with your feet.
Please pay attention that your feet stays in T-stop position, aka the L shape. From here, if you held the T-stop position, you're already set up to do the back cross. When you do the back cross, you want to go straight backwards, and then you wait for your partner to find their balance, and that's when you step out.
Follower, make sure you step in front of your leader.
Side note, you don't always have to step out immediately. You can take your time before you step out. Just relax and enjoy it. The leader can control the timing by shifting the weight over to the direction that they want to go.
Or you can let your partner dictate the timing. Mix it up and have fun. It's a partner dance.
On the back cross, the leader can just put their foot down in order to spin or lead the partner out from behind.
On the T-stop, you can let them out from in front.